Gilson Rotary sifters and silent sifters are a fast, safe, and effective tool for particle size separation of granular material and are designed for a long service life. Before performing maintenance or repairs on the unit, always read and understand the safety, operating, and maintenance instructions supplied with the unit. If you find that there is excessive loss of specimen finds during the test cycle, first, check the test sieve frames and flanges to confirm that they are not damaged or deformed. The sieves, collection pan, and lid should all nest snugly within the stack with no gaps. Test sieves are scientific instruments that should be used and maintained to ensure accurate and repeatable test results. Replace any damaged or deformed test sieves. Now, check that the sieve stack is properly seated and in contact with the rubber-coated rollers in the back of the cabinet when the cabinet is inclined to its test position, and confirm that the sieve turntable is installed in the proper position. If excessive finds are still lost after following these steps, consider the use of Gilson sieve seal gaskets between each sieve. If you find the test results are inconsistent or unexpected, make sure your test sieves are not overloaded. Overloading one or more sieves may result in incomplete separations, inaccurate results, and damage to the sieve cloth. Check the sieve cloth to confirm that it is not damaged or out of specifications. Check if the test sieve cloth has openings that are blinded with sample particles. As mentioned before, test sieves are scientific instruments that should be maintained to ensure accurate and repeatable test results. Clean or replace the test sieve as necessary. Finally, if the problem persists, check if you're following proper test specifications, including test time. For any questions on your Gilson Rotary or silent sifter, or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.